Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Spocket, https://www.spocket.co, is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers primarily located in the US and EU. This focus on closer proximity to your customer base can significantly reduce shipping times compared to traditional dropshipping from overseas. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, and Squarespace, making it easy to import products directly into your online store. They offer a curated catalog of high-quality products, ranging from trending fashion and accessories to home decor and electronics. One of Spocket's key features is its emphasis on providing sample products, allowing you to personally assess the quality and ensure it aligns with your brand standards before offering it to your customers. This minimizes the risk of selling subpar items and helps build trust with your audience. Pricing on Spocket is competitive, and they offer substantial discounts for bulk purchases, increasing your profit margins. The platform also provides automated order fulfillment, inventory updates, and real-time shipment tracking, streamlining your operational processes. Beyond just connecting you with suppliers, Spocket offers branding options like custom packaging and invoices, furthering your brand identity and creating a more professional customer experience. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, Spocket offers a user-friendly interface and robust features to simplify the process and scale your business. With features like branded invoicing, faster shipping times, and readily available sample products, Spocket positions itself as a valuable resource for entrepreneurs looking to build and grow a successful dropshipping business. Their commitment to higher quality goods and streamlined operations makes them a compelling option in the competitive landscape of dropshipping platforms. Exploring Spocket's extensive product catalog and taking advantage of their unique features can be a significant step towards achieving your e-commerce goals.